gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me on top of face.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. The unit is from Cranberry Hair, and this is showing you all the details about the hair. It came with 3 headbands.
You have been even more than I.
This is their 12-inch headband wigs, and as you all know, headband wigs, it has a comb at the back and 3 combs in the front and an adjustable strap at the back with the velcro for you to adjust as you like. I'll go right ahead and put the wig on.
But the one that lifted.
I'll turn around so you can see how the curls are looking, and I am actually in love with the curls. They are really defined. All you have to do, guys, is add some water to the curls to loosen the curls a little.
There's no way you've wasted time with me. I feel my dreams for us coming true.
I'll go in and brush the hair a little. Then I'll add the Marc Anthony curl cream to the hair.
Will mean everything to me. I'm ready to be a home for you. I'm ready to raise all.
I'll add one of the cute headbands to the hair to spice it up a little, guys, but you can wear the hair without the headbands.
Down to me, you look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine.
This is a gorgeous bob unit. I experienced no shedding or tangling from this unit. It is definitely gorgeous, guys. I am in love with the curls. They are really well defined. So guys, if you're interested in this unit, the link will be in the description down below. You can go and check their website out, guys, for this unit and other units. So thank you for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
And I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine.